Good news and bad news, guys. Summer is coming to an end, but to be honest, I'm ready to start embracing the layers. I'm starting right now, so bring it on. But with fall and winter on the way, I wanted to give you guys my top 5 hairstyles that are gonna make you look good in this upcoming season. That's the intro, that's the whole thing. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First up is an extension from one of the summer hairstyles that I recommended, and that's continuing on that grown out, disheveled, effortless yet styled look. I mentioned a few months back that longer sides are coming back strong, and that's definitely still the case. It's perfect for this time of year. It's obviously a great option for the colder seasons to have some extra fuzz on the sides and on the back just to keep you, that much extra warm. The clean lineups and picture perfect fades are definitely fading out. No pun intended, it's happening. And they're being replaced by grown out sides and back. How far you grow it out, that's up to you and a little bit up to your hair type. I'm all for this right now though. I love the relaxed vibe that this kind of hairstyle gives off. And if you style it well, it's still gonna look great while not looking too try hard, if that makes sense. This hairstyle actually makes a lot of sense because it lines up really well with the way that fashion trends are going as well. With that more relaxed, loose fits that just gives off, again, that effortlessly cool vibe. I'm sure a number of you guys saw my announcement where I said that I'm growing out my sides. I'm gonna be experimenting, I'm trying it out, and I gave some tips on how you can do that. So if you want to know more about how to grow out your sides, check this video out right up here. Again, I'm not sure how long I'm gonna go for it. I don't know how far I'm gonna make it. So far, I'm enjoying it, and it lines up really well with this season's trend. Second up on the list, this is a fantastic time of year to start thinking about highlights, especially if you've never gotten them before. The honey, amber, caramel, orange, whatever shades you end up going for, they all fall really well. Like those warmer tones work really well with this season. Not only are they a great option for this time of year, but highlights are a really easy way to get more texture and life into your hair. Especially if your hair is on the thicker side, thick hair is great to maintain a lot of volume, but let's be honest, thick hair can start to look a little brick-like and almost helmet-like, and highlights is an easy way to break that up and create some separation. And it's 2019 now, all right? So highlights are officially cool. Like they're accepted, you can just get them, I think so, anyways. So if you want to mess with highlights this season, instead of trying to pick a specific shade, find a picture for inspiration of some highlights that you like and bring that to your colorist. For me, that's always been Mariano DeVio. I just really like the way that his highlights have been done, the color, and his hair is kind of a similar color to mine anyways. So that's a great way to get yourself going on that highlight train. And speaking of creating texture and separation, a little bit of shine, this is number 3, a little bit of shine is actually coming back. And I'm not talking about those classic greaser hairstyles or perfectly combed slick backs. Rather, using some shine to create those more relaxed, flowy looks. Kind of like what you can see going on here. My hair is not overly greasy, but there's a good amount of shine and that really helps create that texture. Here's an easy way to understand what I'm talking about. The more matte finish your hairstyle is, the more poof you can create and the more volume you can create. But you generally start to sacrifice texture and separation. The shinier your hair is, the more separation, the more flow, and the more texture you can create. The key is to find that right balance in the middle, and personally, I've been loving some shinier hairstyles recently, as you can see. And following along with this, something that I recently announced over on Instagram is that we're bundling our most healthy products together. It's our healthy hair kit, so you can get our cloud control, which has fantastic healthy hair ingredients, original by BluMaan, which of course has built-in heat protectant, and fifth sample pomade, which of course is going to style your hair really well, but also has 5 hair health ingredients that kind of acts like a leave-in conditioner throughout the day. This has been a go-to combo for me. It's the hairstyle that you're seeing here in this video. And this combo is great to provide that all-day nourishment, but also get that slightly shiny separated look. You can tone down the shine or up the shine depending on how much pomade you use, so you can really cater it to your own hair type. But if you want to check out that bundle, it's cheaper to buy those products together as opposed to all separately. The hair health kit, I've got that linked down below. Number 4 on the list, this is going to help switch things up a little, but still fall under that effortlessly cool vibe. And that's a messy middle part. Straight up, this is definitely not for everyone. The best hair type for a middle part is a guy with fine or thin hair, but a lot of hair. A middle part needs to be flowy and soft looking. Not bulky or poofy, usually not for guys with thick hair. We're not going for that McDonald's logo, okay? And having a lot of fine hair can pull this hairstyle off really well. Think Leonardo DiCaprio, especially back in the day, Brad Pitt, also from back in the day, and even Billy Ray Cyrus, but in my opinion, if his hair was shorter, this would definitely look better. But this is the ideal hair type to have that messy middle part. And finally, I gotta include a hairstyle for the boys out there who like minimal hair effort, minimal hair care, and that's a grown out buzz cut. I mean, it doesn't get any more simple. If you have a buzz cut, grow it out. Stop getting it cut.
It's pretty simple.
I would suggest growing it out to the point where you can actually start throwing in some product, because a little product on short hair like this really goes a long way. Personally, a grown out buzz cut without any product, just, it looks very basic and kind of boring. So some product to add a little bit of spice is gonna look great and still be super easy and effortless to maintain. Guys, that's my top 5 list. Of course, there's other hairstyles that are fantastic for this season. Any of you guys with longer hair, this is of course a great time to have that. With the winter coming, any amount of hair, extra hair, it's gonna just help with the warmth. But yeah, this is my top 5 list for the fall winter 2019. Let me guys know what you think. Let me guys know. Let me know, guys. Let me know if I missed any hairstyles, that's what I'm trying to say. And what your favorite hairstyle for the upcoming season is gonna be and what you're gonna rock. Thanks for watching. Check out the hair health kit because it's bundled together. Got that link down below. I'll see everybody next time.